Hello guys, good morning. This is Magnandan. I'm an agriculture field officer at Canara Bank. In this video, I would like to discuss about the IBPS AFO preliminary examination and its syllabus. It is part 1 of the preliminary examination. In part 2, I will provide the important topics and syllabus. Okay guys, let us briefly look into the pattern of the exam. It consists of 3 subjects: reasoning, aptitude and English. Each subject consists of 50 questions, so the overall questions are 150. For reasoning and aptitude, each question carries 1 mark, and for English, each question carries half mark. So the overall marks are 125. And the time period allotted for each subject is 40 minutes. Overall time period is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. When it comes to negative marking, for each wrong answer, 0.25 marks is deducted. Okay, let us look into the English syllabus. It consists reading comprehension, cloze test, error spotting, sentence improvement and correction, fill in the blanks, para jumbles, grammar correction, vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, spelling checks, and choosing the appropriate word. This is the overall syllabus for English, but I will cover the important topics in our strategy video. Now let us look into aptitude syllabus. It includes number series, simplifications, data interpretation, data sufficiency, mensurations, quadratic equation, ratio proportions, simple interest, compound interest, average, time and work, time and distance. Percentages, partnerships, age related problems, speed and distance, probability, and profit and loss. That's all for quantitative aptitude. Okay, now let us look into reasoning syllabus. It includes sitting arrangement, puzzles, inequality, data sufficiency, blood relations, order and ranking, syllogisms, analytical reasoning, distance and direction, alphanumeric series, time and sequence test, analogies and decision making, simple arithmetic reasoning, coding and decoding. That's all for reasoning. This is the overall syllabus, but I will cover the important topics to crack this exam in our strategy video. Thank you for watching it and do subscribe for latest updates.